Day 2. I woke up with this view. A very good morning from Ooty. This is day 2 and we are just about to leave for railway station for the ticket of the train. And the time right now is 6:50, so we'll try to leave as early as possible. So from here we'll go to the railway station and we'll try to get the tickets. If we'll get it, we'll be going to Kannur by train, and if not, then we'll be exploring Ooty a little bit more. So hop on to the journey.
There's a reason that I like you, that I write you.
That's how the big queue is. So we are in the queue. We are trying our luck for the train ticket. Let's see. Per person can get 4 tickets. So I don't know whether we'll be getting it or not. So we have bailed out on the plan of going to Kannur via train because there are only 130 seats for general, and the train will arrive at Kannur around 9:30 or 9:15. But today there are only 2 trains. One is running at 10:40 from Kannur back to Ooty, and another one is at 4 p.m. So because we have to leave for Bangalore at around 2 or 3 p.m, so it is not possible for us to go there and come back on time. But not to be discouraged, we have Doddabetta Peak and few other places to cover in Ooty, so we'll be seeing that places. Highest peak in Tamil Nadu. So we are at Doddabetta Peak. This is highest in Nilgiris and 4th highest in South India. But it is all misty around me, so nothing to see. If you guys can see something. That is the telescope house. It is not that far from Ooty, somewhere around 10 kilometers. It's a decent enough place. And now we'll be heading towards Pykara Lake. The ETA is somewhere around 1.5 hours. We just took a small little trek on the way back to Ooty. So we are driving back to Ooty, and the peak is not that special. There is a canteen on the top, but yeah, the path to Doddabetta Peak is really very nice. So yeah, must visit when you're coming to Ooty.
Naked and alone, I'm feeling weak.
reason that I like you, that I write you all these love songs. That when I close my eyes, I get lonely when I can't. Take my hand and reach you to remember how I found you. When you're here, I'm stronger than I am, and I keep writing music. Sometimes it makes me happy, sometimes it makes me mad, but I haven't lost it yet.
So we did speed boating. It was epic fun. It's on the little pricier side. 10 minutes they are charging $800, so that is a little expensive, but the wait was long. We waited almost for an hour for our turn, but that was fun. So now the difficult ride till Bangalore starts. It will take us around somewhere 7 hours to reach. I am tired. How was your ride? Speedboat ride. Everyone looks tired. I don't know why. This is steep incline towards the car parking. Let's get the journey started. A bit of a problem. We lost weight back to Mysore. Actually, when you're coming back from Ooty, you have to come through Gundlur, then Mysore, and then Bangalore. We didn't know this, so we went back. Like we, in an excess of, we traveled like almost around 60 to 75 kilometers. Because of that, we lost almost an hour and a half. And right now we are somewhere in like before Mysore. It'll take another 5 hours to reach Bangalore, and as you can see, the sun is setting down. We just had a lunch at D Shell restaurant, a pretty decent restaurant. So the time right now is 6 and 5 more hours, so we'll reach somewhere around 11:30. So I'll see you guys once I reach Bangalore. Ooty is a very beautiful place, and it justifies the tag of Queen of Hill Stations. So the time right now is 10:20. We reached Bangalore exactly at 9:58 because we hired Zoom car and the time to give back the car was at 10. So घाई में सब कुछ किया जल्दी के अंदर एकदम. It was such a terrible driving in the night. Oh my god, everybody was using high beam, every single person was using high beam, and the road was pathetic. We took the Kanakpura road. The road is still under construction and it's a very narrow road. It was difficult to overtake and it was one difficult ride, to be very honest. Somehow we did it in time. The Google was saying that we'll be reaching here in Bangalore by 10:30, but we beat it by half an hour. Also we took a lunch break and also a fuel break in between. So adding to that as well, we beat Google by half an hour. So I think this is kind of an achievement for me. So I'll end the video right here. Please like the video guys if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already and share it with your friends. And do let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to answer them in the comment box below. And I'll see you in the next one.